Hello friend, today I am going to explain reheat of Rankine cycle and how to calculate thermal efficiency of reheat of Rankine cycle. So there are two turbines in reheat system which is utilized for enhancing effectiveness. Steam after extension from high pressure turbine is sent again to boiler and heated till it comes to superheated condition. It is then left to extend in low pressure turbine to condenser pressure. So you can see here the stoichiometric diagram. Now I am going to draw TS diagram of this cycle. So here is 1 to 2, that is high pressure turbine, and 2 to 3 is a again steam same inside the boiler. So here is reheat in process 2 to 3, and 3 to 4 is a low pressure turbine, and 4 to 5 is a condenser process, and 5 to 6 is pump work, and 6 to 1 is a boiler process. Here is heat supplied inside the cycle. So now I am going to explain one by one process. So this process of preheat Rankine cycle are explained below using the enthalpy entropy diagram. That is, so process 1 to 2, that is process is the high pressure turbine. So we can find work done by this turbine using this enthalpy inlet at exit. So high pressure turbine, that means you can find work is a high pressure turbine is equal to, that means this one, H1 to H2, that is the high pressure turbine. So you can find work done is H1 minus H2. Now I am going to explain 2 to 3 process. So this process known as a boiler, because steam again resend the boiler and reheat. So you can find heat supplied at process 2 to 3 is equal to, that is process, this one process. So heat is supplied at process 3 to 2. So you can write H3 minus H2. So process 3 to 4 is a low pressure turbine. This one is a low pressure turbine. So you can find work done is low pressure turbine is that means H3 minus H4. So now again I am going to explain process 4 by 5. This process is known as condenser process. So this process you can calculate heat is expelled from the condenser, that is heat is rejected from the condenser. So you can write heat rejected at condenser is H4 minus H5. So you can see here, that is the condenser process. Now again I am going to solve 5 to 6 process is known as a pump process. So this process is work done is calculated by the pump. So you can write this one is pump process. So you can write H6 minus H5. So you can write here H6 minus H5. Now process 6 to 1. So that process is known as a boiler. So this process obtain heat supplied inside the boiler. So you can find in term of enthalpy, you can heat supplied in a boiler is H1 minus H6, that is this one. So heat inside the boiler you can find H1 minus H6. So you know that the thermal efficiency is known as thermal efficiency is the ratio of work net divided by heat supplied. So work net is total work net is total work of high pressure turbine plus low pressure turbine minus pump work, and heat supplied inside the boiler plus in reheat. So this one you can see here, this one heat is supplied and here is also heat is supplied, and you can find work from process 1 to 2 is a high pressure turbine
and 3 to 4 is a low pressure turbine. So you can write all the value are substitute this equation, and you can write thermal efficiency of a reheat cycle is H1 minus H2 plus H3 minus H4 minus H6 minus H5 divided by H1 minus H6 plus H3 minus H2.
Thank you.